How do I feel? Lesson objective. Number 1. Familiarize with different feelings. Number 2. Get to know one's feelings. I feel happy. I am happy when I see and play with my friends. Now, how about you? I feel sad. I am sad when I miss mom and dad. Do you feel the same too? I feel angry. I feel angry when I see someone disrespecting others. I feel surprised. This is what I feel when someone gives me a gift unexpectedly. I feel scared. I feel scared when I watch a horror movie. I feel tired. I feel tired when I go out and run on a sunny day. I feel shy. I feel shy when someone gives me a compliment. I am shocked. I am shocked whenever I forget about something. I feel proud. I feel proud when I accomplish tasks correctly or when I get reward for my hard work. We feel what we feel. We all feel the full range of emotion in different situations. Whenever we are on the happy or sad, engaged or bored, proud or embarrassed, it is okay to feel what we feel and express it in a safe and healthy way. Thank you for listening. Take care.